Alright, so I'm gonna do a teardown video for you guys. I'm gonna pull the top end off of this bastard and so you can see what's going on. Yeah, so I guess let's get started. Gonna pull the valve cover off first. Get to that later. I'm gonna grab my sand mallet. Man, I'm dropping stuff all over the place today. Pop that loose. I wouldn't hit anything with a sand mallet, and it'll pop off like that. So you don't damage anything else. Alright, that's out of the way. Now, I don't know if you can really see in there, but it smells like a burnt valve. Nasty. I think this motor was rebuilt once, a long time ago. Alright, now we're going to pull the points cover off. It's going to be a weird angle. I'm trying to work on it and record it at the same time. It should be alright. That was on there tight. It shouldn't have been that tight. Impact screwdriver to the rescue. As soon as I get the right size. Some of that RTV put on there must have got on the threads. That should be a little better. Impact screwdrivers work very wonderfully. There's that cover. Now, because this is a 79, it obviously has points. So, to pull the head out, you're going to have to take the cam out. So, normally, you'd want to mark your plate. There's a slot, there's a little indent up in here. Mark it, mark your plate, your base plate, and your breaker points are adjustable too. This slides up and down, this bracket. Mark, put a mark over here somewhere so you know where to put it back to once you're done. Otherwise, you'll be fighting a losing battle. You have to reset the breaker points and your timing itself. So, with the timing light, you can obviously check your timing, but it's much easier just to mark it. So, the screw up here. And I'm a little out of breath. I've been running up and down the steps and shoveling snow outside so I can get this out. And your lower screw down here. Nice about the impact screwdriver, it works well, but make sure you have the right bit in there, because you'll strip it out otherwise, your screw. Alright, now you can take there should be another, you can take that out, peel this old gasket off, so you can take your wire out. Because we're taking the cylinder off, I'm also going to have to take the harness holder off itself on the base of the head. See how easy that is? And I hope everything's staying in shot. Double check. Yeah, we're good. Alright, that's pretty much it. You can pull it through and leave it off to the side. And that's, basically what a timing plate looks like with breaker points. Alright, now we got to pull the camshaft out itself and the plate to hold the, the advanced springs and all. So, that should be a number 10. What I'm doing here is removing the back of the timing that's held onto the camshaft. The whole unit comes out as one piece, and this is your camshaft here. No, I'm not going to be able to leave that on. Normally I have a Ziploc bag and I put everything in bags, but we're just working this just to get it off. Worry about that later. I have a new gasket set too, so I don't have to reuse this crap. Alright, now 3 screws, and that takes the plate off, so you can take the camshaft out. There, they're in there tight. And 1. And 2. This makes life so much easier. Recommend getting one of these. We're going to be doing work on old trikes. All the bolts seem to get and screws rusted in place. This is a neat little tool that just breaks them free enough you can spin them out without doing any damage. I think this was like 24 bucks at Home Depot or Sears. Wasn't expensive. It's a little older, but they still sell them. Alright. Remember, sand mallet's your friend. Breaks off all the old gasket material and without damaging anything. Voila. That's what it looks like. And that gives you access to your cam. It smells like burnt